Right, at Autosparx today we've got another new Transit Custom in for vehicle security upgrades. You see this one comes from the dealership with this bezel around the standard Ford lock. The idea of that is, obviously these are prone to attack, so they typically grab this plastic bezel, rip it off, twist the lock, unlocks the van. Well, with this ring on there, it stops them being able to do that, so they can't, because it spins as well. They don't put any fixing on there, it just spins it round, you can't do anything with it. So it prevents the lock being snapped off. However, what it doesn't prevent is a big screwdriver being put in the keyway there, and then just twist it open that way. So that's another way we've seen these vans attacked. So we're going to take this off and do the full job. So we are going to replace it with a high-key rep lock variant, which has got the security bezel, so it's kind of anti-grip, so that will sit flush with the vehicle, so there's nothing to grip on, and also high security keys. So you know, these aren't standard easily obtainable keys, you need a registration card to get replacements. So we'll make this Transit more secure by replacing the lock. We've also fitted alarm immobiliser, dual stage shock sensors, tracking system, text paging. We're also putting deadlocks on all the other doors, front, side, rear, load area protection. So quite a bit to do on this one. So let's get cracking.